In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to answer phone calls with Python Twilio Voice API. By the end, your Twilio phone number will automatically answer and play a short greeting powered by a simple Python server running on your machine. We'll follow a clean 5-part flow, install what we need, create a tiny Flask app, expose it to the internet with ngrok, connect the Twilio webhook, and then test the call. Make sure you have Python installed and that you can open a terminal. A virtual environment is optional but recommended to keep things tidy. First, install the dependencies. In your terminal, run pip install flask twilio. This brings in Flask to serve HTTP requests and the Twilio helper library to generate valid TWIML, which is the XML Twilio expects when it asks your server how to handle a call. If pip isn't recognized, confirm you're using the right Python version and consider pip3 on some systems. Next, create a file named app.py in your project folder. At the top, import what you need. From Flask, import Flask, request, response. Then import from twilio.twimys. Voice response, import voice response. Create the app with app xfas flask name. Add a route, for example, at appy.route. Voice, methods, post. Inside, build the TWIML response, voice response, response. Say, hello, thanks for calling. This call was answered using Python and Twilio, voice CL Alice, language, and US. Return it as XML with return response, str, response, MIME type, text.xml. Finally, start the server in the usual way if name main at app.run port 5000 debug is true. Run it with python app.py and confirm it's listening on port 5000. Now expose your local server so Twilio can reach it. In a new terminal window, start an ngrok tunnel by running ngrok http 5000. Ngrok will print a public forwarding URL, something like https://randomid.ngrok.io. Copy the HTTPS version. This is what Twilio will call. Open your Twilio console and go to phone numbers. Choose the number you want to use, find the voice settings, and in the A call comes in webhook field, paste your ngrok URL and add the route you created. For example, https://randomid.ngrok.io voice. Set the method to HTTP post and save your changes. Anytime ngrok gives you a new URL, remember to update this field. Time to test. Call your Twilio number from any phone. Your Flask app should receive the webhook, return the TWIML, and you'll hear, hello, thanks for calling. This call was answered using Python and Twilio. If you don't hear it, check that your Flask server is running, the route matches, ngrok is active, the webhook uses post, and watch your terminal logs for errors. That's it. You've answered a real phone call with Python, Flask, ngrok, and Twilio.